This place used to be McDonald's building and some other restaurants like Caesar's restaurant and others. So they demolished the McDonald's, and I have put some videos when they were demolishing the building. And now it's in this stage where after they have put the piles, now this is what's going on the site. See different people. This is an excavator excavating. Over there is the sand plant and the mixing plant. And here the trucks, cement trucks. So this building eventually at the end of next year will be a hotel which is called the Winn Hotel, W-I-N-N, and it will be 182 rooms hotel and a veranda and a terrace and very nice cafes inside. It will be situated on this lake, which is the main lake in Sodertalje. This is the lake. It's good weather today, so they are putting some good foundation here. Everyone is doing his job. So just to remind you again, this place was a McDonald's before. It's demolished. Now they are building a new hotel, 182 rooms with a golf hall and some other amenities. This hotel actually will put Sodertalje in a different level of the city. See you after probably another month to see how things will develop here.